Time for another shirt, folks. Big dyeing day. Hopefully this time the camera won't die on us or overheat. Been having a lot of camera issues. Need to definitely get a backup GoPro as well.
She's crying.
You want me to go in there and take over?
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. Ready to tie-die. Yeah, he saw it.
It'll wash out.
Oh yeah. That's just a skater. What size shirt is this?
Small? Yeah.
Small. And what are we gonna do with it, do you know? Or are you just gonna wing it?
We're definitely making a spiral.
Well, of course. Definitely gonna be a nice tight spiral. Banded up about the pipes. But
I think I'm gonna do pink.
bubblegum or hot pink? Off to the dyeing rack we go.
I think bubblegum.
Bubblegum it is, she says.
I might even pull out some glacier.
Oh, some glacier. I love the great glacier. Oh yeah, two color.
Come on, some yellows are good.
Oh yeah. To the dyeing rack. That bubble yum.
Oh.
Bless you. Oh yeah, that looks good. Nice. Good old bubblegum. And now some golden yellow, or is that
Citrus yellow.
Citrus yellow. Citrus yellow. Beautiful yellow, just saying. A little brighter, not quite as deep.
Get a nice little color gradient between the pink and the yellow.
Oh yeah, looks great. Looks great. Some of the glacier. I love the glacier. He's my personal favorite of the blues. Probably favorite dye period if I had to pick just one. Look at that. Oh, that's a good transition. Good gradient. Very nice. Very nice indeed, my love.
Thank you.
That transition from yellow to green to blue is a nice one. It's one of my favorites. The Great Glacier. Glacier Blue, folks.
I might even throw a little, well, I guess I could mix the bubble gum
Yeah.
with the Should I put purple in there, or should I just keep going with the bubble gum?
I would just fill it on out, don't you think?
I'm getting kind of a purple there.
Yeah, you're gonna get a little purplish tint. It'll be a nice pastel this way, you know.
Yeah.
Look at that, isn't that just beautiful? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a little spot right there. Oh yeah, buddy. And we'll flip and do the other side. We do the flip.
Trying to get it purple.
Yeah. That's gonna look good. Get that good mixture going on there. Get the good transition. Alrighty. Whoa. Long hair, babes. Flippity flop. More bubble yum. That's a good pink too, man. Oh yeah, look at that. I like this color scheme, babe. Is this what you wanted with the pastels?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You like it?
The only thing I would possibly add to is maybe the lavender on the future ones, but I think it looks great. You have certainly selected a wonderful group of pastels, I believe, don't you?
I like them.
I do too. This shirt's gonna look really cool, and I'm not even a huge pastel fan. But how can you deny that? Look at that. Look at the transition through to the green, to the blue, to the yellow, to the purplish, to that bubble yum. Oh yeah. Little touch-ups. Alrighty, folks.
Now make sure we get that purple.
Get that good purple there. Mix it in good. Alrighty. We'll see y'all in the morning. Y'all have a wonderful day.